Excuse me, 2023 is here, baby, and we got some traveling to do. But I'm pretty sure your ass got some problems when it comes to packing. Don't even worry, I got you. Numero uno, make sure that you always have a light rain jacket. I don't give a damn what the temperature is where you are, boo. You never know when it may be chilly, whether you're going to the destination. So say you are coming from a chillier destination yourself. Say you get there and some unexpected rain happens, or maybe there's a day that's chillier than that. I don't care if you're going to a tropical land where there is nothing but heat and water around. Baby, what if your hotel is cold and you waiting forever to check in because there's some stuff going on? What if on your way to, dinner, the freaking cab is cold? You never know. Always keep you a light jacket, okay? Before we move a little faster, let me introduce myself. Me llamo daljiimarax. If you are new here, hola buenos. We do solo travel over in this channel. And right now I'm giving y'all the best tips to pack more efficiently and effectively in 2023, boo. Okay? Let's get into numero dos. Okay, one of the best ways to not overpack is not packing cubes. It's not organizing your things day by. It's think about in your head, play by play, what are you going to be doing on this trip? Are you going to the beach every day? Are you going out to dinner every single day? Are you going on adventures? Think about the activities that you are going to be doing on this vacation. Work backwards, okay? Think at you presently at the trip, at the vacation, at the spot, at the location, at the destination, whatever the case may be, and then work backwards, okay? What do you have on your itinerary? That's the best way to go about, oh, do I need this? Do I not need this? Is too much? Will I have room for X, Y, and Z? Think about that. Are you going to be bringing souvenirs back? Is there a chance that, luggage might be, you got a couple layovers, so your luggage might get lost, so you might need to pack something you'll carry on. Think of it that way. Work backwards. What are you gonna do? I think this is like the hack of all hacks. Keep you a snack in your carry-on bag. I don't give a damn if you are landing in the middle of the day where everything is open, middle at night, or early in the morning where everything is closed. You do not know the situation. You could be in a situation where you are waiting on your checked bag forever and you are just hungry right now. You could be landing in the middle of the night or early in the morning where nothing is closed. It could take an hour for you to get to your airport, to your hotel, and you're hungry. Always keep some type of snack, something that's gonna get you right. A bag of chips, some gummies, something. Always have some type of snack. I love to keep a cup of oodles and noodles, especially if I know I'm going to be landing late at night and I'm going into an Airbnb or someplace that has a microwave. All you gotta do is put water in it and you're good to go. And you have a freaking fork. Keep plastic forks with you. Always keep you something to snack on. You never know. Do not be hungry and starving when you get to your destination, because now your luggage is lost and you're going to be in the airport for 6 hours trying to figure out what's out. Now you're starving to death. Don't do that, okay? Keep you a snack in your carry-on bag. We have cuatro with it, okay? Unpack your suitcase when you get to your hotel. I'm telling you, do not be that person that lives out of your suitcase. One, you are probably going to have stuff in your suitcase that you don't use, and then it's going to be like you should have never packed it in the first place. If it's just going to live in your suitcase because it's out of sight, out of mind. If you don't even know what's there, you might end up not using something. So then you realize, dang, I done packed this thing and now my bag was a pound over and I had to stuff my bag and I didn't even use it. So unpack everything, lay everything out. Put your skincare in the bathroom, hang up your clothes, put them in the drawer, put your suitcase away in the closet, and live like you're at home. It'll drive you crazy. It'll take longer for you to get ready. You're going to be trying to figure out where things are, and then when it's time to repack and go back, you're much more organized because you ain't got stuff, usually when you're like trying to find an outfit or something, you're messing stuff up. So when everything's already out of the package, when it's time to repack, baby, it's such more organized, especially if maybe you have to do something last minute. You got where everything is, okay? Do not live out of your suitcase when you're on a trip. You paid for that hotel, so use all of it to your advantage. Don't just live out of your suitcase. I'm telling you, getting ready is gonna be so much faster and much more efficient. Don't live out of your suitcase. We at cinco? Are we at cinco? We at cinco. All packing cubes are not created equal. I'm sorry to break it to you. I know that packing cubes are like the thing right now. Everybody got packing cubes. They're not. I'm telling you, they're not all created equal. Here's the thing. Do research on packing cubes. Don't just go to Amazon or TJ Maxx and get the cheapest packing cubes with the most amount of cubes, because some of them are made strictly for organization, meaning you're not really saving no space. It's just to keep things organized. Some are made to keep your things insulated. So if you are, you know, worried about, you know, possibly your things getting wet, there are specific cues made for that. Some are made to save space, so then you can, like, you know, squeeze out the air out of them and suction them up so that you have more space. Like, not all packing cubes are created equal. So this goes back to my earlier point. Work backwards. What are you going to be doing, and what type of clothing will you be needing, and items will you be needing for those activities on your itinerary? From there, you can be like, okay, I don't really care about saving space. I don't pack that many things. I just want stuff to be organized. So then you can go get just any random packing cubes. But if you're going to be on the beach, if you're going to be doing water activities, if you're going to be hiking, you may need something to either keep your clothes dry and keep your items dry, or possibly keep, you know, saving space. If you're going somewhere in the winter, your clothes are going to be bigger, so you're going to need something to suck in all of those clothes into your suitcase. Do your research on the packing cubes, but in order to do that, you have to work backwards. What are you going to be doing? What are you going to be wearing? Then buy the packing cubes, boo. Don't just go and buy anything. Don't be wasting your money. Don't listen to everybody on TikTok. Listen to me, okay? Have your toiletry bag easily accessible. This should not be something that's like deep into your carry-on or your personal bag. That should be like the last thing you pack. You never know when you're gonna need to wipe your hands with some disinfectant wipes. You never knew when you'll go somewhere and there isn't toilet paper, or there's soap not anywhere, or you need to brush your teeth because, like I said, you've been waiting at the airport for 6 hours because you left, you know, your check bag got lost, and now you hungry, so you just ate some Funyuns and now your breath stank, and the lady at the desk like, "Ooh, girl, back up, you a little funky." You never know when you'll need some lotion. You'll never know when, you know, it's super dry on the plane and your skin is dry, so now you need to put on a sheet mask. Keep your toiletry bag like at the top. It should be like your electronics and your toiletries all together. Damn, I done lost count, but that's okay. Right now we talk about trash bags. I know, like, trash bags are kind of like becoming unethical, but I don't care about all of that, baby. That doubles as storage. It doubles as a trash bag, what it's used for, and it doesn't take up space. That's better than bringing like an extra bag. You could just ball them up, put them in your pocket, put them in a pocket of one of your bags or your suitcase. Always have trash bags. I always have trash bags everywhere I go, and I always use them, okay? Take the ones that's underneath your goddamn kitchen sink and put them in your carry-on bag, okay? Now this one, baby, this gonna separate the pro packers from the amateurs. Put things back in the same exact spot. Keep a designated place for your passport, a designated place for your cell phone, a designated place for your shoes, a designated place for your phone. Like, do not throw stuff back in your bag. One, that's how when you need to go back in your bag, you're like, oh my God, did I lose it? Did I forget it? So you have that mini panic. That comes when you're in line and you're taking up too much time behind you. The line is going out the door, and baby, you digging it for your wallet because you just tossed it in there. And then thirdly, it just peace of mind. If you know for a fact that my wallet is in this front pocket, smooth trip. If you know for a fact passport gonna be there, no matter what, passport is there. It's just peace of mind on your trip, and it saves you time, and it just makes everything much more efficient. The last thing you want to be worried about is, did I forget X, Y, and Z? Oh my God, I need this right now, I can't find it. Like, keep everything together. Again, this comes with time as you kind of like become the traveler that you are. Like, this is something that takes time. Again, it can also determine on the destination how many things and how much you bring with you. But for the most part, if you carry the same bag, luggage, suitcase, keep everything in the same compartments everywhere you go. It'll make you, oh my God, the peace of mind that comes with knowing that X, Y, and Z item it's in this specific pocket, baby. And my favorite of all, I learned this one a long time ago. Always pack a swimsuit. I don't give a damn if you're going to Scotland in the winter, if you're going to the Swiss Alps. One, they also double as undergarments, but you never know when you meet somebody and they like, girl, I got a jacuzzi in my hotel, you want to come? Or we stayed at this Airbnb with this pool, you want to come? Like, that's why I carry a swimsuit. You never know when you're going to meet somebody and they got a pool. Everybody likes the pool. Everybody likes to like dip their foot in the pool. Everybody like a little hot tub. That's why I always keep a swimsuit. And then, like, you just never know what type of fun you'll get into. And usually fun is surrounded by water, and everybody likes to get in the pool. Everybody likes to go swimming. So always have you a swimsuit, okay? Don't be that person that's like, oh, I ain't gonna get in the water. Like, I hate the water. Like, the beach sucks. I'm always getting burned by the sun. I don't like sand all up in my butt cheeks. Bring that swimsuit. I'm telling you, because the moment you don't bring it, somebody was like, oh, I heard y'all, you know, looking for something to do. We just rented out this mansion with this ginormous water slide. Want to come with us? And you're like, damn, I ain't got no damn swimsuit. I know y'all want to see me in action. I don't know, y'all like, girl, you talking a lot, but we ain't seeing nothing. Guess what? I went to Peru for 10 days and I got a whole video showing you how I packed, when I packed it, how I did it, how I'm going to do it. And it was efficient. Go ahead and check that video out.